Good evening students, today discuss page number 225, last paragraph onwards. 78 ships, 20 shores establishment and 20,000 ratings took part in the strike. Hundreds of students in both Hindus and Muslims came to streets to support the clash, to support the Indian armies and the clash with the police and army. On 23rd February, nearly 3 lakh need workers also put down their tools in Bombay to fight for 2 days violently. The streets with the police and army are completely covered. The year of 1946, the strike of work stoppage in factories and mills, many parts of India. CPI, Communist Party of India, and the Socialist Party of India active in this movement. The country is also on the boiling stages. So an agitation started in Bengal by a small and poor people who took land of bigger landowners to cultivate. These one they demanded that share of harvest could be increased. How much? 2 portion out of the 3 instead of the half of even less. That was the given to them at that time. It is called this one is called Tigba movement. So Tigba movement was led by Provision Kisan Sabha. The Hyderabad Communist Party led a massive movement of the Patna of the Telangana region area, which was called Nizam government. The Telangana farmers came out of the opposite of the large landowners, demand the defeat from the farmers and the return of banned labor to stop them and land to be distributed, which was the access land in the hand of the Jaminaries. The opposition took up the arms and restricted the rulers with their arms. Almost 3,000 village people are part in the movement. Finally, the revolt peasants took place in Trankoval in Paparina, Vayalur area in Kerala. So, like this, totally in India, different movements are finally boiled staging in that part. Muslim League and Congress negotiation for the transfer of the power. So finally, British government has decided to give into the independence to India. Then how they can share the powers with the Muslim Leagues, the Indian Congress parties. So in a political negotiation between the two top leaders against the 1940, again in 1945, the British agreed to create an entirely India external executive councils except their viceroy and the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. As a preliminary steps towards to the full independence, discussions about the transfer of power broke down due to the Jinnah unrestrained demanding. Because of the British government limited to give the power to independence, it is broke down due to the Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah unrestrained demanding that the league should be have to the absolute right to choose the all Muslim members and executive councils. This demand was not acceptable to the others. That's why the Congress party had supported most of the nationalist Muslims. The unit of the Unionist Party of Punjab, which one had large number of Muslim members, did not endure the Muslims' demand. In fact, Maulana Azad, the lead to Congress party delegation, this is discussed. In his party, he is the president of Congress party on the time. In 1946, elections were held in the provisional government. The Muslim League won all 30 reserved continuations and sent. In 1946, the election was held in the provisional government. The Muslim League was won 30 reservation in the constituencies and the center out of 409, 442 are there. Get it. Only the seats of 1946, the League established itself as the dominant party among the Muslims for a time. Seeking to the vindicated that claim that the solo spokesperson of the Indian Muslim League, they had get more than 86% of Muslims vote. In 1946, Congress swept the general constitutions and capturing over the 91% of the non-Muslims. Okay, a positive alternative of the partition. In March 1946, British cabinet sent to 3 members division the missions to Delhi. They examined the League demands, suggested a suitable political framework for the free in India. The cabinet mission toured in the country, for the 3 months and recommended loose the 3-tier confederation of India, but India was to remain united. Initially, all the major parties accepted this plan. but the agreement was shortly lived because it was based on the mutual opposite and interpretation of the plan. Ultimately, therefore, neither League or Congress agreed the cabinet mission proposal. The Muslim League did not decide the demand cannot be met. Their discussion, if it is marked, ask the people come out of the street. It will decide that give the word is direct action for the winning of the Pakistan demand announced of 16th August 1946 by the Muslim League leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The direct action day on that day, the rivers broke down in Kolkata, launched several days of living, several thousand of people were died. Most part of Muslims, the part they are come to outside this world, they are assassinated the people who are in the Hindus. These one are killed a lot of members in the Kolkata, Mumbai, and the Chennai, other part of the UP's area. The violence spread many part of northern India. It was the background of this mass violence in March 1947. The Congress has command agreed to divide the Punjab into two half-wells. One half-well is able to Muslims majority in with the Hindus and Sikh majorities. The Congress also agreed for the partition of the simple principle to Bengal as like as this one. That's why you can see the time of the Pakistan formation timings. Two Pakistans are there in former the independent times. One is the east side Pakistan, other side is west side Pakistan. Today we see west side Pakistan is Pakistan. East side Pakistan today we call Bangladesh. Previously name is before 1971. Before that name is called East Pakistan. Okay. So 1947 Wales was replaced as a viceroy by Mountbatten. Mountbatten is called the last round talks about a move to a head. When those two proved inconclusive, as announced, the British India would be freed and also be divided. Muslim majority area Punjab, Northwest Frontier Party, Sindhu, Balochistan and East Bengal would be made part of a new state of Pakistan. The formal transfer of the power of the British government to Pakistan would be done in 14th to India has would be done on 15th August 1947. This solution has only workable solutions in the year of the riots, bloodsheds, and hated the rageful of the people. So that's why we can decide that 14th August in Pakistan Independence Day, 15th August India Independence Day. Now see how the partitions has made a great harm to the Indian souls. You can observe from the state part how they are losing their happiness though they get independence. Okay, tomorrow remaining part I will explain for you. Thank you.